Right. Let me, in fact, also now quickly get in some more breaking updates coming in. Kanwal Sibal, who is the former Foreign Secretary of India, has denounced a US government department report on the Adani Group, calling it a violation of sovereignty. Sibal said the US action reflects sheer high-handedness and an abused use of US power. Sibal called on the US to share its findings with Indian authorities, adding that any investigation conducted on Indian soil by American prosecutors would inherently violate Indian law. Dr. Sharad Kohli is joining us for more details on this story. Dr. Sharad Kohli, interesting statement being put out by the former Foreign Secretary of India.
I think it's a very welcome statement as far as Adani Group is concerned. I think a big relief because somebody as senior and as respected as Mr. Sibal is giving that statement. A court in America has the audacity to go and comment about somebody who's in India. The allegation is the bribe was paid in India. The person who received is in India. The company is in India. What locus standi has got a US court got on making a comment? I was on your channel yesterday. I was saying, let us go to Patiala House Court or let us go to a court in Jharkhand. And you know what Nikki Haley did? How did her assets build up? What did Mr. Obama do? And Kamala Harris, how did she spend $1 billion on the campaign and still lost? Where did all the money go? Let us take up a case here in a court in Jharkhand and let us draw a point-by-point report and pass a judgment and file a charge sheet that probably Nikki Haley was involved in some kind of building the assets which were not proportionate to her income and so and so. I don't think such things matter because you're doing it in a country which has got no locus standi. As if somebody has invested from that country, fine. I mean, it is for the Indian authorities. What they should have done is, if they had any doubt, they should have sent a message to the Indian courts or Indian government that, look, we are suspicious of this, kindly investigate. That is the way. Not that you go to the court straight away and file a charge sheet that issue an arrest warrant against Mr. Adani, come and appear here. I really don't think that court has got a locus standi, from a legal perspective as well, Uday.